Good morning, guys. I'm here in the beautiful garden. Ayan, guys, ang bulaklak, guys. Beautiful flowers in the garden. Yan, guys, ang magandang bulaklak. So, kasing laki ko ng guys. Ang laki pala ng eyebag ko na. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. So, yan ang magandang bulaklak ngayon, guys. O, diba, guys? Pink na pink ang ating bulaklak dito sa garden, guys. Marami ito siya, guys. Ayun, dun pa sa dulo. So, yan, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday, everyone. God bless.